Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Free Fire while signed into the account you want to bind. Once done, make sure your device is logged into the correct Google account in Play Services so the link targets the right profile. You should also confirm you have the latest Free Fire update, a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, and enough storage to avoid interruptions. Now, tap the profile icon at the top left and get ready to access account settings. That's where the next steps happen. You navigate to Settings, then Account, and choose Account Binding. Once here, select Google as the option to bind. Free Fire will prompt you to pick a Google account. Choose the account you prepared earlier. Permit the requested permissions so the game can link progress and purchases. If a confirmation dialog appears, read it and confirm. Expect a brief sync. Do not close the app during this process. After the spinner stops, look for an explicit success message before proceeding. You finish by verifying the bind. Sign out and sign in using Google to confirm your Free Fire profile loads correctly. If you see missing items or errors, clear the game cache, restart the device, and try again on a different network. Many failures are network or cache state related. If the problem persists, record the exact error message and timestamps. Then contact game support with that information. This helps them resolve account conflicts faster and prevents accidental data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.